What is up, Shane Squad? How are you today? Hope you are having a awesome, amazing day. Starting out the vlog, it's really chilly outside and I'm out here in short sleeves and I don't know exactly what you would call these. I don't know. I just put them on. I have no idea what we plan on doing today. I think Jamie's coming back home. I know we gotta take all the trash to Jen's mom's because we forgot to put out the trash the other day and we have so much trash. But if you guys have not seen yesterday's vlog, Gabrielle is currently here with us. If you're new to the channel and you don't know who she is, it's now the perfect time to meet her. But right now she has a headache and can't really be loud. That's why I'm outside starting a vlog. I don't make her headache worse. Let's get this day started. Just to update you guys, my grandma ended up moving into this apartment beside of us. So she no longer lives with her boyfriend. They're currently broke up right now. I wanted to update you guys on that because when I went into her apartment yesterday, I was seeing Prissy and Petey, and she has Prissy back, so that's a good thing. Look at all of this trash that we have to end up taking that we forgot to take out to the trash. We're just trashy people, that's what it is. Hey, Wi-Fi. Come here, get Wi-Fi. Look what Jen's wearing. Hater. I'm not hating, it's just funny. I'm walking over to Go-Mart with Jen. Oh, I guess they got their car fixed. This Annalie's car. How are you feeling today?
Better.
You seem a little bit better.
I'm still angry because my belly hurts and my freaking, look, I got blood right here.
How'd you get blood?
I bent over and it started to bleed.
That's why you're not supposed to be bending over. Oh, for some reason I feel like I want to go out, but then I'm like tired, like sleepy wise. But I don't even know why, I'm not tired. I need some like energy or something. Ooh, I like that color of the car. Pretty blue. Go-Mart. What are you getting here, cigarettes? I'm trying to cut down on drinking soda, but maybe if I drink a little bit of caffeine, it might give me a little bit of energy. Because I haven't had caffeine for, is it 2 days?
Yeah, look how big that soda is.
Yeah, I haven't had it for 2 days. It might like get me a little bit perked up a little bit, maybe.
I know, that's why I got me a Monster.
I don't know if it's the weather or just how we feel that's just draining our energy. I want to go out and do something, it's just I feel like I don't want to do something.
That's why I'm trying to get up and try to clean the house. Maybe that will make me put in a better mood. Like, I feel better. Like, my stomach hurts every now and then, and that one muscle right there. Yeah. But other than that, I feel better. And I want to do stuff, but I don't.
Like, right now, if I laid down on the bed, I probably would fall asleep. That's how tired I am, and I don't know why. I had plenty of sleep from last night.
Well, maybe drinking that a little bit and just relax it for a second, and then maybe helping me clean. Maybe that'll help. Is that our laundry that smells so good?
I don't know.
It smells so good.
That's not funny.
She fucking laughs.
It looks like you're trying to hockey. You're trying to play hockey, but with washing the floor. Just move like you're roller skating. Oh gosh, that's not safe at all. Carrying a knife around while you're sliding around. Are you okay? You got it?
Uh-huh. Now when I get this wrapped up, I need to move that fridge out.
I brought scissors to cut his hairballs.
Yeah, he's not very happy about it.
Oh, Pepper's out. Pepper.
Hi.
Oh, you might want to pick him up and take him to the bathroom first.
Let me see if he'll.
I think I'd go very close.
Yeah, I know. Well, there's one.
There you go.
Keep that one.
You keep that one. Don't scalpel.
Let me see if
Got
you
a
have
good
any.
deal on it, $4.50 a month.
Yeah. It's yeah.
Okay. You're not gonna be able to cut this one.
That one looks like it's almost been shaved. Look at that.
It's too close to his skin.
Yeah. Told you guys that my grandma got the apartment. This is her little apartment.
It's just,
a lot. And it
Probably.
It looks huge.
Come on.
You're okay. You're okay.
Okay.
He probably realized who you were.
Yeah. He hates
Oh,
me.
Everybody hates me too.
Grace.
You're
He
okay.
doesn't let. He realized who was holding her. Well, him.
I'm crazy.
What, Petey? You want your hair cut too?
Somebody's going. Once you turn the light off, it's gonna slip.
Get your bell, Petey.
Yeah,
Get it.
Like, no.
Get your bell, Petey.
Smell like that. I mean, green beans and a potato. And she'll eat every bit of that. So you would be too. He only ate one time a day.
No, he remembers me every time. You don't like me at all.
Yeah, it was where we shaved them.
Oh yeah, you're jerks.
What would you do if I shaved him? I'd come home, yeah, boy, he was shaved. All except his tail.
Oh, poor fella. You jerks. It's probably what he thinks.
It's okay.
when
It's okay. Look at your head. It's all nice now. There ain't no knots.
Oh, it's cute.
Oh.
We'll have to take a comb and comb it out. Or brush it out.
Yeah, cause
That's the way I had to do it the last time he was like that.
He's like, you're messing up my dreads.
On his brush.
Yeah.
This is my grandma's. There's her washer and dryer. This is her bathroom. It's a cute little apartment. Pepper, look how fat you got. Yeah, you gotten fat. Hi, Petey.
I know about it. I know.
What are you doing? Are you eating, Petey?
And she has another apartment somewhere.
Oh, Pepper. Look how cute you are.
Oh, look. Oh, sorry.
There she goes.
Look at my clippers.
He kind of likes it.
You almost got it, Crazy.
Because it would be easier for him and easier for us. All I need now is that other brush. Well, it's okay. Get back here, buddy. Because if that stays and she don't brush them. No, Chrissy, you gotta sit right here. Here we go. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, it's just on it.
What is it? Is it because he likes it? Look how better looking you look.
Oh my god, he's got them everywhere.
You're okay. Prissy.
You did it. Look at you. I'm so proud of you.
Prissy.
You get your spot? Yeah, you want me to get your spot? Right over here, and then go right there.
Well, hell. What are you doing?
Nothing.
Gabrielle, there's an empty bedroom in there. Guess what he says now? Bitch.
Ah, you naughty little bird.
Do it. Has he been doing that?
What?
All the bubble gum's gone.
Meow. I'm gonna get you. Ow! 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 I get you. Ow! That actually hurt. I get you. Ow! Ow! You're so mean. You're such a mean kitty. Look at this.